Good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Sumi MS. The topic of my today's presentation is multiplexers from Unit 2 Combinational Circuits and Logic family of Digital Logic Circuits and Design. On completion, the students will be able to understand the types of multiplexing and also be able to describe the different types of multiplexers. A multiplexer, which is also called as MUX, is a combinational logic circuit that is designed to accept multiple input signals and transfer only one of them through the output line. It is a digital logic device that selects one out of n input data sources and transmit the selected data to a single output line. The multiplexer is also called data selector as it is selecting one from several inputs. In the case of multiplexer, the selection of desired data input to flow through the output line is controlled with the help of certain select lines. For a typical 2:1 multiplexer, there are 2 input lines and n select lines. These select lines will determine which input is to be routed to the output. Hence, the multiplexer works as a multi-position switch whose operation is controlled by digital signals. These digital control signals are applied to the select lines to determine which data input will be switched to the output line. Types of multiplexing. There are 2 types of multiplexing, namely frequency multiplexing and time multiplexing. When multiple devices are connected to a single transmission line in a system, at any point of time, only one device is using the line to transmit the data. Then it is said to be as time multiplexing. On the other hand, when these multiple devices share a common line to transmit data, but they are transmitting at different frequencies, it is called as frequency multiplexing. Types of multiplexers. Based on the input data lines and select lines, the multiplexer can be categorized as 2x1 multiplexer, 4x1 multiplexer, 8x1 multiplexer and 16x1 multiplexer and so on. So the common types of multiplexers used are 2x1 and 4x1 multiplexer. In a 2x1 multiplexer, it is a basic 2-input multiplexer which has 2 data input lines designated as I0 and I1. One data select line S is there and one output line denoted by Y. The 2x1 multiplexer is used to connect the 2 1-bit data sources to a common designation. In the 2x1 multiplexer, the logic level of the digital signal applied to the select line S determines which data input will pass through the output line. The operation of the 2x1 multiplexer can be understood from the given table where the select lines are 0 and 1 and its corresponding output lines will be having the inputs I0 and I1 respectively. So this is a diagram representing a 2x1 multiplexer with inputs I0, I1 and output Y and select line S. 4x1 multiplexer. It has 4 input datas I0, I1, I2 and I3 and 2 select lines S0 and S1 and a final output Y. So based on the combination of select lines as S0 and S1 as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, the inputs will be I0, I1, I2 and I3 reaching the output Y. So one of these 4 inputs will be connected to the output based on the combination of the inputs present in the 2 select lines. And with respect to this truth table for this 4x1 multiplexer, we can obtain the algebraic equation for the output line. And higher order multiplexers can be implemented using lower order multiplexers. So 8x1 and 16x1 multiplexers can be implemented using 2x1 multiplexers. So this is the diagram representing a 4x1 multiplexer. Quiz questions on multiplexers. What do you mean by multiplexing? What are the different types of multiplexers? Draw the logic diagram and truth table of a 4x1 multiplexer. Thank you.